Still hot. It's tender, guys. Really tender. So tender and juicy. And oh my gosh, it's lemony sweet. Definitely you can taste all those spices that I put. Hello everyone. Okay, what I have for you today is baby back ribs. I'm going to prepare finger licking baby back ribs, Greek style. So what we need about 3 pounds of baby back ribs. So this is close to 3 pounds. It's about 2.9. Fresh chopped oregano, onion, about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, chopped finely. We need freshly ground pepper, salt, honey, 2 tablespoons honey, and about 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, and olive oil. First, okay, let's see. I'm going to take off the membrane, the skin membrane. That way, so I have more room. Yeah, I have to remove the skin membrane, guys, because this is gonna make it tougher. Just take it off as much as you can, because I know it's kind of hard to take it off. It's probably easier. See that one, guys? That's the one that you don't want it in your spare ribs because it's tough. Okay guys, I cleaned it as much as I could, so that's done for now. Let's put that here. So next we're going to make the marinade. So that would be consist of onions, garlic, lemon, olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of fresh oregano. So this is washed already. So let's put this one here. Food processor. I don't blend them really. Okay, that should be enough. And 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Go ahead and put that there. Oof, that smells good already. Okay, let's go ahead and add 1/4 cup of olive oil. And 2 tablespoons of honey. 1 teaspoon of dry oregano. Oh, so good. Okay, let's go ahead and add that one there. ahead and add the Greek seasoning. I had a hard time finding this. Let's just add the whole lemon. Add the pork. Okay, let's put it in the refrigerator for 8 hours to overnight. So just one thing I forgot, guys. Lemon rind. I need 2 teaspoons of lemon rind. I almost forgot that. It's really important. I think 2 teaspoons is about the whole lemon. Make sure you don't get those white things though, just the rind, because otherwise it's gonna be bitter. So just take the outer layer of that thing. That's what we need. Yeah. All right, let's add into that mixture of marinade. Oh, yay. Okay guys, this was the one that was marinated last night, already put in a room temperature, and so it's ready to bake. To line the baking sheet with foil and then spray with non-stick spray or butter. So now we're going to arrange the marinated ribs in the lined baking sheets. Leave a space in between. It stands up. I guess I can't make it. That's it. I'm just waiting for the oven to heat up. Okay, ready na ito. 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Ooh, look at that. Goodness, the color. Oh wow, look at that. Okay. Goodness, all sides are sealed. Okay, let's transfer them. It's hot, still hot. It's tender, guys. Really tender. Oh, so tender and juicy. And oh my gosh, it's lemony, sweet. I have to. It's hot. Oh. There, guys. It's done. Tender and juicy. Look. Oh, so hot. Not juicy. The spice is just right. Finger licking baby back ribs, Greek style one. Definitely you can taste all those spices that I put. I'll make inside of it.